Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SB Designs. On this tutorials I'm going to teach you how to make this African print covered bra cap. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. And if you are done watching the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and comment as well. Let's get started. Okay, so at this point we are going to sew on the fabric. We are going to sew on the fabric to secure the pleats I made. Okay, so at this point, this is the right side of our pleats and then the right side of our blazer cap. Okay, so what we're about to do now, okay, is to place the right side of the pleats onto the wrong side of the pleats this way. This is it. You place the right side of the pleats, that is making the top part facing the top part of the bra cap this way. You go ahead and stitch half an inch, then return it onto the right side. So this is it after sewing. When you sew, we sew the half inch at the top area. Now we're about to turn it to the right side. This is it. So after we turn it to the right side, you go ahead and then stitch on this space left here. You see, when you watch closer, you can see a space here. That is where we can stitch on. So we are going to stitch on the space together with the fabric like this. So we stitch on it this way. At this point, our covered bra cap is ready. See how beautiful it looks.
Thank you all for watching my videos, and please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. See you all in our next video.